Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic number system. Today's question, the figure here shows the Venn diagram for the special sets n, n0 and z. This video we try to solve this one step by step. Let's start. In this Venn diagram we are seeing three sets. First one z, second n0 and then n. So we have to know what is this. N is a symbol of natural numbers. Natural number is positive integers starting from 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4. N0 is a symbol of whole numbers, which is non-negative integers. It means natural plus 0. Natural is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. We just include 0, and this set is called whole numbers, and which we will mention n0. And last one is z, which is integers. Integer is whole number and their negatives. So how can we express this one? Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and for integers we just include -1, -2, -3, like this, and we mention this one by z. So before starting math or question answer, we have to know about n, n0 and z. Next, our question, first question, where does the number -12/3 belong in the diagram? What does mean? It means -12/3. Where we can mention, is it n, is it n0, or is it z? N is natural, n0 is whole, and z is integer. Let's start. So before find the place, we have to simplify it. -12/3. So -12/3, it means -4. It means 12 divided 3 means 4, right? Then we know -4 is an integer, so it falls into z set. So like this, here is -12/3, it means -4, which one is in set z. We can write here, this one is in z. It means z -4, right? Next one, number B. Here is 3 question. In the following list, which of the statements is true or false? Number 1, every integer is a natural number. So is it true or false? It should false. Why? Look, not every integer is a natural number, because integers include negative numbers and 0, which are not part of natural numbers. Look, natural number is n, which we can express like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and integer is, we can mention z, which is minus like 3, -2, -1, including 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So here 1 to 4 or 1 to infinity is a natural number. So this statement is a false. Every integer is not a natural number. Question 2. Every natural number is a whole number. So first we have to know about natural number and whole number. Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot, and whole number it's also 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot, but we will include also 0. Okay, so in this case every natural number is a whole number. It's a true statement. So we can say like this: true, every natural number is a whole number because whole numbers include all natural numbers and 0. Okay. Number 3, there are no decimals in the whole numbers. It's also a true statement because whole number is like 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, and here is no decimal, no fraction. So this is a true statement. So we can say like this: whole number do not have decimal points. They consist only of non-negative integer. Okay, so this is our question solution. We try to solve step by step. Hope this video help you in the examination, and this question answer is very important for grade 10 and IGCSE examination. I hope you will keep practice at home and carefully know about number system. Thank you very much being with me. If you have any question, just put in your comments in the comments box. Thank you.